Got it here, another pretty awesome hunting knife by Klecker Knives and Tools. I showed you before a couple of axes that they have. Well, looks like they also made a pretty amazing knife. As you can see, there's two knives inside of one knife, and it's also not a folding knife. So just hold it like that, open it up, boom. I would say this is also a bushcrafting knife because it's a really thick blade, nice and sharp. Obviously you can make it even sharper, but yeah, this is beautiful design. So what's so special about that? Grab it here and push it backwards, and you got right here another knife. So this is more like a skinner. Look how well it sticks between two of the fingers. I think this side here more like a bottle opener, and there's edges. So yeah, whenever you need to use this kind of knife, you see it sharpened from both sides, from this side and this side. So this will be very nice and sharp. I should try to cut the rope, see how well it's gonna do. Obviously you could use it for skinning, but rope cutting, no problem. Did you guys see that? One more time. Very, very sharp. I love that. I guess we could put that to the test real quickly, see how sharp it is with this knife. Wow, insane. This is, I guess, somewhat paracord, maybe. It looks like paracord. Cuts through it really quickly and easily. So very, very sharp knife. I like it. The actual knife without this part is pretty comfortable. I don't see any difference. The only thing you're missing is this kind of like a nice grip. Whenever we put it on, all we have to do is just I guess slide it in. That's it. And you see how you have a really nice ridges, so that way I guess your fingers doesn't slide forward, and it really does keep it nice and sturdy over here. This is a very nice, comfortable knife, even for my big hands. Grips in there really good. There you go. So again, to take it apart, boom. Love it. It's so awesome. And whenever you put it back together, I guess it just clicks in, and you don't have to worry about it's coming off. You see, it sits in there really well, but at the same time super easy to take it out. The handle feels rubberish, but I have no idea what material it is. All I have to say, this handle feels really good. I don't think it's rubber, but it's really nice and comfortable. Look at that logo over here. Beautiful, shiny knife. You guys be surprised, there's people collect knife like crazy. And yeah, this is pretty much for people who really appreciate knife that I showed you guys, because there's so many knives, it's kind of hard sometimes to keep up. Yeah, another amazing knife. Thumbs up for me for this one.